All right. It's Monday, Mega Money Mondays. This morning we got a stock that's up over 100%. It's going straight to the moon. I'm going to break down my trade here. I'm going to talk about kind of what I was looking for, why I jumped in, why I sold, and all that fun stuff here in this video on the number one. I'm just claiming it. I'm claiming the number one day trading channel on YouTube. We're doing it live. Real trades, real action right here in front of your own eyes. So if you guys haven't already, do me one big favor, hit that subscribe button. Let's go. Let's get into that action. So this morning we got GNCA. It's Monday morning, and we're starting off with a 100% runner. We're up big. I'm not up big, but GNCA is up big this morning. I've been keeping an eye on it, been looking for a nice little washout ever since we made this move here. We just really haven't gotten it. Was watching it, kind of missed out on that break, and then now I've just been kind of sitting there. I'm like, oh my, I just want to wash out, and I was hoping to get that wash out here, kind of pull back to the $10 area really quickly, kind of touch down to those EMAs, show some support there, and then jump in, but just haven't really gotten the clear entry just yet, so I'm just gonna play it safe here. Not gonna force it. Worst coming to worst, we just won't get a trade on it. That's just kind of how it goes sometimes. Best play today here on GNCA is just to wait for the perfect opportunity, or at least the safest opportunity. Right now, buying up here at the 1180 area, that's not where I want to be buying at. You can see the pre-market high so far is 1175. And the last thing I want to be doing is buying a stock that's up over 100% on the day so far. It's up 100% pre-market. Do I really want to be buying it at the top right now? I don't think so. Does that mean that the stock can't go higher from here? Does that mean it can't go to $12, $13, $14? No. That does not mean that. But what it means to me right now is I just don't want to be super risky in terms of trying to buy the top here and hoping and praying. Like if I buy here, I'm hoping that it goes higher. I'm praying that it goes higher. But if I wait for a solid pullback, if I wait for, the good, solid entry that I'm looking for, then it's going to be more of like, hey, instead of hoping and praying, I'm just playing into the fact that the stock is going to move in waves. We're going to get these big moves to the upside. We get a big move to the downside, upside, big, like a wave. So that's what I'm waiting for right now. Just waiting for the bottom of that wave. Right now, you can see we're at the top of the wave. I don't want to be buying at the top of the wave here. I mean, if you look at this, it's clearly the top of the wave right now. Does that mean it can't go higher? No. Like I said, we've seen plenty of stocks just keep going higher and higher. But from a risk to reward standpoint, from a just overall discipline standpoint, I just don't want to be jumping in at the top here. So we'll see. Maybe I'll regret it later on. Maybe this thing's going to go all the way to $20 and it's just going straight to the moon now. But the discipline, I'm telling you people, discipline is key, especially when it comes to trading these types of crazy movers. You just don't want to be that guy who buys the top. You don't want to be that guy. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to just sit back here and wait and watch. All right, I'm going to test the waters here. Let's see how far this dips down. That's kind of the washout we were looking for here. See if we can get filled there at the 1084 area. See 1090 get filled here. Oh, come on. Wow, I was like pennies from getting filled there. I was looking for just a little bit more. This spread is killer right now. I don't want to be buying the ask and paying a real premium here. So that's why I was trying to buy the dip there with a limit order. 1080 area would have been beautiful. Get it there at 1081. See if we can get a quick pop back above $11 here. Let's see. Back above 11. He was going to pop up there. Having a little bit of trouble here. First pop back above 11. I think we're going to get it right here. Come on. Needs to do it like pretty soon. See if we get filled up. There we go. Beautiful. So getting filled in that push back above $11. Making a quick $230 there on GNCA. Like I said, I was just waiting for that pullback. And there we got it up there above $11. Probably going to rally now, but I'm not going to be greedy. Like I said earlier, this thing is up big. It's up over 100%. I don't want to be greedy. Well, now in hindsight, I should have been greedy. But like I said, and like I've said in a lot of my videos, I talk about how the key to really just being consistent and profitable is taking small gains over and over. There's going to be days like on Thursday where you're going to get a stock that goes straight to the moon and you have a lot of opportunity to make money. But today, obviously, just didn't have the perfect entry. It was pretty good entry, actually. Pretty good entry there, on that pullback, getting that test of that double. You can see kind of that 1075 area here. 1075, we found some support. That's what I was looking for, kind of the bottom of this candle. We got the 9 EMAs, we got the 20 EMAs kind of right in this area, and we're looking for that push, and that's what we got. We're looking for that push to kind of just back up. You can see how the stock was kind of bouncing, back up, bouncing back up, and we're looking for that push back above $11. We got all the way up there to, what, 1047, so not a bad move back above 11 that we're kind of looking for there. But overall, just kind of take my profit when I got it, especially on a stock. It's up over 100% pre-market. This thing could easily just drop back down to $9 and really mess up your day. Really ruin your day, I guess I should say. Could really ruin your day, and that's not really what I want to do on a Monday. I don't want to start the week out with a big, massive loss. As much as I want to make money, and I got to take risk, and all that, I don't want to really push my luck here on GNCA. So let's see what happens here at this 1080 area again. Is it going to hold? Is it going to crack? So I feel pretty good overall about being able to look for that opportunity, seeing that previous kind of bounce area, seeing that support there. We had the buyer step in. You can see it push back up there, 1140 area. Pretty simple. Not rocket science, my friends. The key here was waiting and being patient. Obviously, I would have loved to have gotten in here at 1077 and gotten, a $2 move there. That would have been beautiful. But we just weren't able to get filled. We weren't able to execute the trade, and we were just waiting for the pullback, and that's exactly what we did. Patience is key. Patience is king, is what I should say. King is patience. Patience is king. And this morning, GNCA showing you patience. Patience. Wrap this up here. I got a bunch of stuff to do today. I got a bunch of videos to edit from my trip from Mauritius. I've also got to go work on the boat. The boat's getting closer and closer to being done. Had a great weekend overall. Life is good right now. Hopefully you guys are enjoying life, enjoying whatever you're doing, whatever it is that you're doing. Hopefully you guys are enjoying it and you're loving it, because at the end of the day, it's really what it's all about. So a little bit of getting deep here Monday morning, talking about life. That's what it's all about, living, having fun. And at the end of the day, if you can walk away with a little bit of green, a little bit of profit, if you can walk away with a little bit of profit, make a little bit of money in the markets, you're doing pretty good. So that's what it comes down to. The other day, somebody emailed me and said, hey, I want to start trading. I want to make a lot of money and I want to get rich. And I said, well, first off, you got to learn to day trade first. And the only way to learn to day trade is to just be consistent and stay alive. Stay alive, my friends. So there it is. If you aren't staying alive, well, you aren't alive, I guess. So stay alive in the battle, and we'll be looking for the next opportunity here. GNCA this morning up over 100%, coming back down there from the $12 area. Let's see what happens on later. I'm excited to see what happens later on, but for now, if you haven't already, like I always say, hit that subscribe button. A lot more great videos and fun stuff to come, and I will talk to you guys later on.